That's getting changed. Trish Wolf is on from the Wolf Pack. Good morning, Trish.
Sorry, give me a second.
Uh-oh. What happened, Michael?
I have to take my headphones off. They're too short.
Professional radio. Morning, Trish.
Good morning. How are you guys?
We are wonderful. How are you doing?
I'm pretty good. I'm sorry to hear that his headphones are too short. I don't know what that was about, but
Yeah, he's got these headphones on that if you look directly at them, they blind you momentarily.
They were wearing these at Studio 54 back in the day.
They were.
Yeah, I've been watching you guys on YouTube, so I can see what's going on behind the scenes. So I would encourage your listeners to watch you guys on YouTube.
Yeah, youtube.com/TMASTL. It's a wonderful, wonderful place. There are solicitations from a variety of different websites in the YouTube chat on the daily that Jackson gets to deal with.
Friends from the Middle East like to join us.
They do. Hello, friends. Thank you for listening from overseas. Trish, what's the latest on your perception of the real estate market here in the St. Louis metropolitan area?
Oh, well, it's been a little bit patchy because, I was out showing houses this weekend, and some of the houses are still busy. If they're priced right and staged right, they're still busy. A few multiple offers trickling in. So, that's a lot different. We've been talking about that, this shift. It's happening. It's a real thing. But, other houses, I showed all weekend, and, here they're still on the market, so they didn't sell. So, it's getting a little bit patchy out there, and I think the rates have people a little bit nervous.
Yeah, and I would imagine this time of year, I guess things slow down. Is that right, or is that not necessarily accurate?
Well, typically my fourth quarter is the slowest. As we enter the holidays, nobody wants to move during the holidays. So, if there's buyers out in the market throughout the holiday season, they're really serious. So, that is a silver lining. You don't have a bunch of, looky-loos coming through. They're serious buyers. The last couple of years, it hasn't slowed down at all, but, it was COVID and it was crazy and a lot different than the normal market, which I think we're starting to get back to a little bit of normalcy here. I'm kind of seeing it start to level out some. So that's good news for buyers because you'll have a little bit easier time getting a house. So.
There it is. Trisha, how can our listeners find you?
Yeah, definitely. They can always find me on Facebook at Trish Wolf Realtor. We've got the website, trishwolf.com. And then, of course, you can always give me a call, and I'll answer the phone, 314-807-WOLF.
There it is. Trish, thank you so much.
Thanks, you guys.
Thank you. That's Trish Wolf with the Wolf Pack here on the Ryan Kelly Morning After. It's our appliance discounters.